Well, Cynthia, 18-year-old Dejan Joksimovic moved here 2 years ago from Serbia. He and his mother looking for a better life in America. That, in a moment, was ended at a party that turned violent.
Dejan Joksimovic was on track to graduate this May until shots were fired at a hotel party early Saturday morning.
Thing was, I was supposed to be at that hotel party that night.
His cousin, Dejan Tadic, now regretful he didn't attend.
I kind of wish I was there. Maybe I could have helped him out, saved him. He was just an amazing kid. I would do anything to spend one more time with him.
That time forever stolen, just like the lives of 22-year-old Delfino Elizondo and 18-year-old Armin Hamadovic, all three shot in the head. Detectives not yet ruling out the question of execution-style killings, just one of a long list of reasons why the Metro Squad was formed. 21 detectives now on the case, hopeful one of the partygoers will talk.
With that many witnesses, you sure somebody probably saw something or be able to tell you what happened.
Yesterday, police questioned a number of people, but tonight, no one is in custody. Heartbreaking news for Tadic, who's dreading school on Monday because that empty seat will be a constant reminder of the friend he lost.
He didn't care who you were. He was always trying to make your day better. He tried to be friends with you. He was always honest about everything.
Hopeful for answers and justice.
There is no word yet on if the shootings were gang-related, but yesterday the gang unit was called in to investigate. Counselors will be on hand Monday at Northtown High as students learn of the death of their classmate. In the newsroom, Beth Vaughn, NBC Action News.